Welcome to Lasse's beer review. Today we have a bottle of the Ranke Hop Harvest 2018. Here's the look on the bottle. It is a Belgian ale, golden ale. Yeah, it has 5.5% alcohol percent. So let's get it into a glass. See what it looks like, tastes like, and smell like. Oh yeah. It's quite hazy, golden hazy with two finger slightly off white head. Ooh. Smells amazing. I'm getting a bit of hay, herbs, hops, bit of apple, bit of pear, flora. It's quite a lot of hints of a lot of fruits, herbs, and flora. And hops actually, so this will be interesting. It's a Belgian beer. I didn't say that, but I guess you guessed though. Quite good. Bit bready, bit grassy, bit hoppy, bit bitterness. It's quite creamy though, and refreshing. A bit of hint of banana, apple, and pear, but mostly I get a bready feeling, a grassy taste, a bit bitter, bit hops, and some nice fruit taste at the end there. So it's not too bad. It's good. I think they release a new one each year because it's a hop harvest of 2018, and if they use a lot of hops or fresh hops to this, it will be recommended to drink it as fast as possible. It's not a beer for storage. It lasts like, yeah, its experience date is 2023, but it was tapped in October of 18. If you can focus, yeah. But yeah, so there you have it. It's a Belgian ale, golden ale with some banana going through. The banana is probably from the yeast they're using. So, but there you have it. Hop Harvest will. I will give it a rating of God. I think I would give. Did I mention the brewery? No, the brewery is Die Ranke. Brouwery Die Ranke. So my rating for this, I would give it 6 out of 10. It's a good beer, but it was a bit of grassy and bready. I like grassy and bready, but didn't really sit well. But As I said, the fresher you drink it, the better it will be. So there you have it. 6 out of 10. Thank you for watching and see you next time.